Flogistix designs, builds, and maintains vapor recovery solutions for the oil and gas industry. We use advanced compressor technology and proprietary solutions to eradicate oil and gas vapors and put an end to the need to vent or flare. It is our mission to eliminate emissions across the energy value chain by using technology and proven machinery for data-driven solutions. For the virtual exhibit hall, we would like to focus on our AirMethane program. The platform we use is the DJI Matrice 300, the latest and greatest commercial drone from DJI Technology Company. The 300 series has a 9-mile transmission range and 55 minutes of flight, along with 6 sides of directional sensing and positioning sensors. The hot swappable batteries and real-time auto controller switching can translate to hours and miles of uninterrupted flight. We use a Sierra Olympic Ventus optical gas imaging OGI camera for our aerial inspections. The Ventus OGI features digital and analog outputs, a focal plane array, 640 by 512 resolution, 25mm lens with a 4x digital zoom capability, and GPS location marking. This camera can detect 20 plus gases and is Quad OA certified. Our U10 laser methane leakage detector can detect 5 parts per million of methane gas from 100 meters away. The laser has a response time of 25 milliseconds and sets alarm points with GPS location and a visual image or where the laser is targeted in a PDF report that can be generated upon completion. A Sniffer 4D V2 air pollutant mapping system that shows 2D and 3D concentrations is also utilized. The Sniffer 4D is able to sense 9 different gases and sends this data back to the Sniffer 4D mapper software in real time. The detection hardware matched with the data visualization and analytics produces quality information that is compatible with various mobile platforms.
Our drone pilots are Part 107 FAA licensed pilots and certified in optical gas imaging. They are experts in oil and gas operations and understand the workings of a production site.
Our L1 LiDAR and mapping camera has a detection range of 450 meters. It generates 240,000 points per second and can cover 2 kilometers with high efficiency. With the use of the D-RTK base, we can deliver highly accurate point cloud and 3D renderings. For up-close and small leak confirmation, we use a handheld FLIR camera with 320 by 240 resolution and high-intensity imagery. All inspection reports and videos are available online via Flux, a performance dashboard that provides real-time insights to machinery performance. This information is available through a private portal 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is maintained online for easy reporting and compliance auditing. A live stream of any inspection is available, and we maintain our own Wi-Fi networks as part of the drone program. Satellite and cellular connectivity is also available. The benefits to using a drone include the repeatability of the inspection, as all flight data, including video for every location inspected, is saved. This allows for re-inspection in the exact same pattern for Quad OA compliance. Drone use is reliable, accurate, and safer for inspectors working at hazardous locations. This technology is best applied to the oil and gas sector as solutions to fugitive gas. Allowing common use of drones to inspect for leaks and fulfill Quad OA requirements would reduce emissions while providing safer solutions to the fugitive gas problem.